Okay, now to assemble everything. After you've done everything with Cricut Design Space, it's time to assemble, or Silhouette, whatever cutting design tool, whatever cutting the tool you have. It's time to assemble your product. And this is a little bag. Isn't this cute? It's so cute. Okay, so we have our main pieces right here. We have our face, we have our accessories, and we have our bag. So I don't want to lose anything, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to. It has happened several times with every single thing that I have lost one piece or another, and I had to recut everything. Hopefully that's not going to be the case. So as you can tell, this is perforated. I use the dash line that comes in with your with your purchase. And this is also 110 cardstock. You don't have to do 110. You can easily do a simple 60 pound. It's a little, wobbly, which is great. There's just two things that you'll notice when you start to assemble this. When you use your a pencil or a pen to roll the edges, you might find just a little bit of denting, which you will probably not get that with 65 pound or 80 pound cardstock. But let's get started. We're gonna just start putting these together. We're just doing making sure everything has been. Now you could easily just do it like that, but I like to go a little extra, breaking the fibers just a little bit, rounding them out. All right, and it should look like this. So now that we have scored everything and use our pencil, we're just going to push this down. You see how I'm pushing down just a little bit? And then closing each edge. Then we have our little bag. Perfect for lip balms, little Hershey Kisses, anything small. You can even make this into a placeholder where you can put people's names on there. For this what you call it, Santa one, you can easily put the name, but for this one you could just put a little name on the back. It'll be perfect, or right on the top. It's really all up to you. I'm going to set this aside, and we're just going to use this as our reference. We're going to grab our head. Now I am using Tombow glue. It gives me a little bit of wiggle room, but it's fast acting. And you can see that this has a little line there. That's because it's scrap paper. And you can use up all your scraps with this project. Okay? No one's going to know that they're scraps. Except for maybe you. Okay, I'm going to put that like this. Now we're going to grab our black. Oh, it's sticking to me. It's sticking to me. Okay. I'm going to put a little bead of glue here, bead of glue here. And you can put these eyes as close or as far away as you want. Okay. And since it does give me a little wiggle room, I can move it around just a little bit. Good. Now we're going to grab our nose. I'm just going to put a little bit right there. Just like that. Let's put our little smile. Now this is a little smaller because part of it broke off. So I'm just going to now, if you would prefer a smaller smile, you just cut the smile in half, and you will have a smaller smile. Oh no, where are you going? Don't go too far. Goodness, it's just, now it's stuck to my finger. The nose is still wiggling. It's not dry 100%. Okay. Now for the cheeks. I'm going to put a little glue here and a little glue here. Okay, put one right here. And put one right here. And then we're going to put just a little bit of a twinkle on each end. Right there. And right there. Now, your cutting file will also cut out these little white areas. If you don't want to, you can leave those out and use a gel pen. But since I have them, I'm going to use them. And I can already tell I'm missing one of the specks. I don't know where it went in from the time that I just took it out of the bag. I already checked the bag. Wait, did I check the bag? Yeah, it's not in here. Oh, no, I lied. There he is. Right there. Oh, where'd you go? It was here and now it's gone. Oh, there he is. See, if you don't want to deal with these little pieces, you can easily just remove them. You can just add your own using gel pens, white marker, even glitter pens. I'm sure those would work really well. Give it a little shine and sparkle. Get back here. There we go. Ta-da! We're done. Fantastic. Okay. Now, to stick it to the little box here, I'm just going to use some double-sided foam adhesive. You don't have to. You can just glue it. Let's move this over to the back here. Peel it up. Peel it up. Now, if you're using scrap paper and you notice that it has like stuff on the back, just use your gel pen. Nobody will have to know. No one's gonna have to know. All you do is just let that dry. Okay. Now for this to actually work, you need to make it flush with the table. Find the middle. And press. And there you go. And you got yourself 2 little gifts that you can give for the holidays, little bags. Thank you so much for purchasing this file. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Have a beautiful day.